What did you do then, and how did you hear about Colaberry?
So I was in mortgage, and at that time I had taken interest in SQL, so I was able to get just an entry-level job where I did minimal SQL coding. But my manager at the time, she told me about Colaberry because she had a friend whose son went through the program, and she was letting me know, he didn't have any experience at all, and he was able to pretty much complete the program and land his first job making like 90K. And he was coming from a role where he was probably making about 30 or 40K. So of course that piqued my interest. I looked into it, and that's when I ended up taking the 3-month course. And then once I completed that, I started taking IPBC, and I think it took me about a little over a year. And the only reason why it took so long is because, for one, my work schedule was very hectic. And one thing I noticed
What did you
was
say you were doing before again?
in mortgage. So I was
Mortgage.
I was in mortgage. It took me a while just because my work schedule was hectic back then. And I'd noticed that with Colaberry, you have to really focus and dedicate time. Well, at least for me, the way that I learned, dedicate time. And if you kind of like skim through it, try to do an hour or two here and there, for me, that did not work. So it wasn't until I just truly buckled down, focused, did everything that I needed to do, whether it came to recording the videos, utilizing all of those resources that we have, interview questions, working with my team and with my mentor. That's how I was able to pretty much quickly get through and complete the course successfully.